Boo! Oh, you scared me! I scared death. That's not right. I'm a ghost though, silly.
Ow! Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe.
Toys.
Heinrich, you have to wake up Master. I have to drink my potion before I fall asleep. Hurry up, Heinrich. Blah, 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 blah. Don't talk back to me, Heinrich. You know what happens. Blah, blah, blah. Go wake him up. I'm gonna drink my potion. I can't fall asleep. We have that big party, and so many people are coming. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, Heinrich. Good evening to you. Have my guests arrived? Not yet. Very, very well. Where is Doctor? Doctor, did you have your potion? Drinking it now. I'm going to get the guests that you invited for this special ritual. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. This is so wonderful. I cannot wait to see my new guests and then treat them to a delicious dinner. Oh, Doctor, Doctor, go and get our special guests. Heinrich and I will wait for the other ones to come. Very well, Master. Excellent. Ugh, gross. What is it, Bob? I just thought I saw a spider. I'm sure it was a spider. We're in the woods. You brought us here. I know. Are you sure about this, Bob? That's what it said. The invitation. Just go in the woods and wait for somebody to come and get us. This seems kind of fishy. Where did you meet this guy? At the supermarket. You would make our family get dressed up for a Halloween party for someone you don't even know? Listen, we weren't doing anything. What's the harm in having fun? Ugh, this mask is so itchy. Don't worry, you could take it off when we get there. Why don't you just put a sheet over yourself like I did? Such an easy costume. It really was, Violet. Good job. Hey, wait, I see somebody coming. Heinrich, listen to me. There's somebody at the door. Go get the door. Do you hear it knocking? Yes, miss. You can't hypnotize anybody these days. Sheesh. Hi, Victor. We're here for your party. Hey, woof, woof. Hello, Villy. Hello, Vichy. How's it going? Welcome to my home. We have wonderful, wonderful treats for you this evening. I cannot wait to show you. Oh, more guests are here. Heinrich, get the door. Mr. Incredible, it's lovely to see you. Follow me. Oh, wonderful. Come, we have wonderful treats for you and your family. This guy reminds me so much of that guy that went missing with his family. Mom, Dad, I don't like this. He seems really weird. Kids, don't be eating anything that they give you. I have a funny feeling about this. Me too. Be prepared to use your powers. I have a feeling your dad got us into some kind of sticky situation. Now I'm talking. The party is here. Yes, it is I brought my mummy friend. Oh, hey, the party's here now. Death is here. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we just need to wait for our guests of honor. Ooh, I hear them coming. Everybody. Let's sit and wait. Act natural.
Oh, wonderful. Our guest for our Halloween party. These are our other guests. We're all dressed in wonderful costume for Halloween. And all of you look wonderful as well.
Why, thank you. Why, thank you.
Yes, your home is quite lovely. Here is your wonderful candy. It is Pez. Do you know Pez?
Yes, we know Pez.
Yes, Pez is delicious, isn't it? It is quite lovely. Well, thank you very much. Children, don't fill up on that, though. What a little cute baby. Is he a doggy? I'm not quite sure. We just put ears on him and painted his nose and gave him some whiskers. He wouldn't let us put a tail on him, so I guess he's like a bunny rabbit. Oh, I wouldn't have guessed. Doctor, their treats. Coming right up, Master. Bob, did you hear that? He said Master. There's something fishy going on here for sure. Do not eat anything that they give you. Pretend to eat it, if anything. Do not eat it. I have a feeling they're going to do something to us. Take your brother, okay? We got him. Don't worry.
Woof, woof.
Yummy strawberry, lemon, and candy corn flavor. Oh, I love candy corn.
More strawberry, candy corn, and lemon.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's just a Pez pumpkin. Wow, this is so cool.
It is cool. Let me show you how it works. You put the Pez candy inside by lifting up their heads like this. Isn't that cool?
I want strawberry. Oh yeah, me too.
Yes, strawberry it is.
Yummy. That's delicious candy. Good, they have the candy. In just 3 minutes' time, they're going to turn into our dinner. Or breakfast, whatever you want. Well, I am very hungry. I guess we're gonna eat the little one first. He's so plump and juicy. Shh, Jack, stay close. Oh, little wolf. Yes? How are you feeling, little wolf? I feel fine. Oh, really? Shh, don't say anything. Say what? Nothing. You better watch out for these kids. They seem like they're onto something. I think they know what you're doing. Impossible. Nobody knows. Eat up, children. Eat up. Yummy. Delicious. Yes. In a few moments, they are going to just be sludge. I put the potion inside the Pez. To sludge? What's in this? It just tastes so delicious. It's a special potion I have. What? Why are you telling them? Oh, it doesn't matter. Doctor, show them what we have made for them. Yes, Master. Here, Master, I have the potion. Excellent. See, Miss Elastigirl? I knew it! You have this poor gentleman under your spell. That's right. Oh, let me see it. Let him see it, Bob! Oh, I got ya. Oh no, the potion is spilling! No, that's not good! What is happening? Oh no, what's happening to me? Oh no! She's now sludge! What did you do? I'm sorry, Master, I was pushed. Kids, run! No, Bob! Have her throw up a force field! What, a force field? Melting and melting! This is amazing! This is the best party ever. It really is. Oh, I'm melting. You imbecile! My witch friend! I didn't know, Master. Get him, Bob! While his back is turned! Got him! I got him! Good, wrap the chains around him, quick! Chains, they're definitely silver. That's right. No, not silver! I'm burning! Good work. Violet, throw up the force field! And put it around this whole place! Leave out the doctor! Out of the way, doctor! Oh, I love force fields. Throw it up! I got it! These guys are all crazy! Now we have to save the doctor's family. Where are they? They're in the attic. How is he gonna snap out of this? Ha ha! He's not gonna snap out of anything! Yes, he is. He has to. There has to be a counter potion over here. There is. It has spiders on it. Spiders? I hate spiders. Oh gosh, Bob, go get them. But the force field, it's up. You have to break through it. Dad, don't worry, I won't get you. All right, I'm going. Oh no, there's spiders. Oh, I hate spiders. This is so gross. You're almost there, Bob. Just go through. Oh, this is so gross. All right, I got it. Now what? Bring it here, Bob. Oh, disgusting. Here, drink up. Go. Yes, I feel like my old self again. Why am I wearing a colonial hat? I have no idea. Where is your family? We need to save them. Violet can't keep her force field up much longer. They're in the attic. Oh no, the force field has the attic. I'm not going through there again. There's no way I could break through. Hello? You have like the fastest kid here. I can get him. That's right. Go get him, Dash. I gotta take off this hat though. I can't breathe in this. Much better. I'll be right back. Oh, anybody up there? Help! I guess they are. I see them. Come on, I'm here to save you. Come on down. Oh, I'm almost melted now. What a world. Good work, Dash. Thank you so much, everybody, for reuniting me with my family. I can't believe I was under such hypnosis for so long. Wasn't it a potion that you drank? How was it hypnosis? I don't know. I think there was somebody else involved. That Victor Vaughn, usually he's a very, very nice scientist. He's a scientist? He's not really a vampire. Everybody here is not a monster? Well, not everybody here is a monster. I'm really not sure. I just know the vampire is not a monster. He's not even a vampire. He's right. I'm not a vampire. I just pretend to be one. I'm a doctor. But you're not really a vampire, so how is the silver burning you? They're not even made of silver. Let's just get all these monsters rallied up. We're not monsters, though. We are just hanging out here. We were hypnotized. That's right. I'm not a monster. Okay. This is just getting really weird. Help me, I'm not a monster. She's not. She's a real witch, though. I'm just gonna call the police. We definitely need an ambulance and a medic for you.
Hello? Anybody here call an ambulance? Or I have ambulance outside. We have police. We have everybody we need.
Oh, excellent. That was fast.
Yeah, that's right. It was really, really fast.
Something fishy about him, too.
You're right! Ha ha! You found out my evil plan.
What? Now you're getting monsters involved?
I'm not a monster, I'm just a doctor.
Quiet. Finally get the Incredibles once and for all. No you don't.
Ah! I'm in a force field!
How do I always fall for this? Wrap him up.
Hey, I know what to do. Throw the spiders at him! No, spiders! I hate spiders! This is not cool.
Well, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Make sure you have a happy Halloween.
Big thank you to Playmobil for providing the set number 9312, the Haunted Take-Along playset, along with these really cool and spooky characters. Stay tuned for the next video where we unbox it and show you every little piece of this cool set. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Ah.